plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am making Sandygast. Nobody asked for it. I just love it. I think Sandygast is so cute. So I wanted to make one for myself. I am slowly working through all of the ghost type Pokemon for October. I will not be able to finish every single ghost type, but I'm doing as many as I can to kind of get in the Halloween spirit, so that's super fun. For November, I'm thinking I will focus on rock types, and December I will focus on ice types. Of course, if you would like to request a Pokemon that is not necessarily in one of those themes, that's fine too. I really appreciate getting requests because it keeps me motivated to complete my personal Pokédex. So yeah, I cut out the base for Sandygast, and then next I'm working on the mouth and then the little like patch he has across his eyes. It's almost like a raccoon. After Sandygast, I think we have one more ghost type that I have already made, which is Spiritomb. And then after that I made an Igglybuff because I just wanted to make something easy. So not on theme. See, I can't even follow my own theme, so if you want to request something that's not on theme, that's fine. I don't even follow my own rules, so, you know. Yeah, so I'm trying to cut this little inner part out because his mouth has a hole in the back. It's like a hole through his whole body. Oh. And then I use the precision scissors to kind of clean it up because I think my X-Acto knife is pretty dull and I don't really know how to cut well, so yeah, I need to get a new knife. And then I'm just trimming it down a little bit because I thought it might be too big. Next, I have to do his eyes and the other little pebbles that he has. I mean, his eyes basically look like pebbles. They're the same color. So cute. Oh, I love Sandygast. Such a cute Pokemon. Am I weird for liking this Pokemon? Like, is it normal? Do other people like this one? Or am I just like the person with peculiar tastes that just really likes it? I don't know. This was part of a batch of 6 Pokemon I made in a day. You will see that I make a mistake, and it's probably because I was making 6 Pokemon in a day. We're not there yet though. I'll let it be a surprise. See if you catch it. So I'm just cutting out the shovel. I traced the whole shape even though I'm going to cut off the bottom part. Just helps me visualize it better. I don't know, maybe it's weird. And there I am, cutting it down so that it goes in his head. And next it needs a handle. This is such a weird ghost type Pokemon to design too. Who thought of this one? Like, I feel like if you think of like ghosts on the beach, you'll think of like sirens or mermaid lore or something like that. Not this little sandcastle with the plastic shovel. I don't know, it's goofy. And now I'm just outlining him a little bit where his kind of like arms are. Oh, and here comes the mistake. Oh boy. Oh no. Yep, my pen slipped. And the mouth is already pretty glued down, so I had to figure out a way to cover it up. I don't know, maybe it's not that noticeable. My filming setup, the lights are so bright that, I mean, maybe it's not that noticeable under normal circumstances. But I used a little scrap of paper to cover it up. It doesn't look great, but it's okay. And for the background paper, I have this nice autumn-themed paper with like maple leaves and some little branches. And I thought the color scheme matched nicely with the sand and his pebbles. Next, I'm doing what I always do and taping it down with some washi tape. Again, I'm using more than I normally would. It's going over the edges. Yeah, I absolutely love this one. It's so cute. So cute. I don't have much more to say about it. There's not much to it. It's a very easy one. I think that it's an easy one you can make at home. You don't really need many materials, right? You just need, at minimum, maybe 3 different colors of paper to make Sandygast. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you again soon. Bye! I don't know why I was waving. You guys can't see me. Bye!